Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to solve 50 MCQ on color pigments and their chemical and physical property. So let's begin. First question. A pigment is different from dye because pigments are option B, insoluble in the medium. Pigments get their colors mainly due to option B, absorption of a specific wavelength. Which of the following is an inorganic pigment? Option B, ultramarine blue. Next, organic pigments are generally option C, more transparent and bright. Next, which pigment is made from lapis lazuli? Option C, ultramarine blue. Next, the property of a pigment to resist fading in light is called option C, lightfastness. Next, which pigment has excellent light fastnesses? Option B, earth colors. Next, earth colors like ochre and sienna are mainly composed of option B, iron oxides. Next, which pigment is considered toxic? Option B, cadmium red. Next, cadmium pigments are known for option C, high opacity and brightness. Next, opacity of a pigment refers to its ability to option B, cover underlying surface. Next, which pigment is highly transparent? Option C, alizarin crimson. Next, zinc white is option B, semi-transparent. Titanium white replaced lead white because it is option C, non-toxic and more opaque. Next, which pigment has the strongest tightening power? Option C, Patholo blue. Next, the binding medium in paint helps pigment to option B, adhere to surface. Next, fugitive pigments are those which option B, fade quickly. Next, which black pigment is made from burnt bones? Option B, ivory black. Next, lamp black is obtained from option B, soot of oil lamps. Which pigment reacts badly with sulfur? Option C, lead white. Next, which pigment darkens when mixed with oil over time? Option C, lead white. Next, the grainy texture in watercolor is caused by option B, heavy inorganic pigments. Next, which pigment is based for glazing? Option B, transparent pigment. Which color pigment has poor light fastness? Option C, alizarin crimson, traditional. Next, synthetic pigments are option B, lab manufactured. Next, which pigment is sensitive to acid? Option A, ultramarine blue. Next, particle size of pigment affects option C, opacity and texture. Which pigment is known for cracking in oil paint? Option A, zinc white. Next, which pigment is safest for beginners? Option C, titanium white. Next, chrome yellow contains option B, lead. Next, which pigment is derived from carbon? Option A, ivory black. Next, pigments mixed with oil dry by option B, oxidization. Next, which pigment is commonly used in fresco painting? Option B, earth colors. Next, Mars colors are option B, iron oxide pigments. Next, which pigment shows high chemical stability? Option B, earth pigments. Next, which pigment is affected by alkalis? Option A, ultramarine. Next, color strength of pigment means option B, tinting power. Next, which pigment was historically used in manuscripts? Option B, ultramarine. Which pigment is semi-opaque and cool in tone? Option A, zinc white. Next, which pigment is most permanent? Option B, earth pigment. Next, Which pigment causes chalking effect? Option A. Zinc white. Next. Pigments suspended in water without binder will. Option C. Wash away. Next. Which pigment has highest opacity? Option B. Titanium white. Next. Which pigment is least toxic? Option C. Titanium white. Next. Natural pigments were originally obtained from. Option B. Plant and minerals. Which pigment is unsuitable for mixing with sulfur based color? Option A. Cadmium pigments. Next. Transparency of pigment depends on. Option B. Particle size of reflection index. Next. Which pigment is famous for intense blue-green shade? Option C. Phthalo blue. Next. Which pigment is known for staining quality? Option C. Phthalo pigments. Next. Knowledge of pigment properties helps artists to. Option C. Ensure durability and harmony. That's all for this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. For more videos, press the bell icon and see you in the next one. Bye.